March 11th, 2023, Tyler Hayes here, 1712, coming to you from West Ladysmith with a video lined up for you. The 5th C6M rebuild of the 3302 is here, with the 8922 deleted for the S772. She's going to go into Ladysmith Yard after bringing their train in. And the 3302 sports the first gen K5HL. It's pretty nice. And these two showed up as a 1438, the inbound 772. Man, I cannot believe it. I've at last got 5 of 25 of the first ordered C6M rebuilds. Very impressive. How about that? That is going to do it for the S772 for today as it heads for Ladysmith Yard and finish their assignment for the day. And we'll do it for this video at West Ladysmith near milepost 129. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time, and I'll see you down the main line. Tyler Hayes out.